Congratulations to Spindi Msaleko and Makwela Musa Msaleko, wife and number 5. So anyway, guys, so let's get just sort of to the rest of the hustle. Samari Pizza Musale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Those who don't know, Usbini just recently bought himself a new car. So this is what Musa Msaleko has to say. Mpumelelo ngiyabonga kakhulu Mthombeni for achieving all this. Now I can see that our vision is taking shape and we all have, all of us, work together to achieve this. Siyakubongela kakhulu ugogo for this achievement. You know that when it comes to Musa Msaleko, everything that is happening, he will give a thanks to Gogo Flo. So let's get it to Samke. I did not see this one coming, guys. I thought Samke she would be scared to enter the industry. You all know that the industry belonged to the Kim Kardashian or Msaleko, Toby Msaleko, guys. So for those who don't know, on Saturday there was a collection at Durban Fashion Fair 2025. Samke, she was part of the fashion more than, guys. She really did a great job, guys. I'm not gonna lie, one thing was Samke, she understood the assignment and she was looking pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, even though it was her first time. I think one day Umakumalo and Samke, they're going to attend the same event. Oh girls, she has just joined the industry, guys, and she's doing so well for herself and people were so happy. You can see the likes about Dominique, Abu Sumisi, Abu Kelly Kumalo, Minenhle Dlamini, a lot of celebrities were there, guys, and Samke had an opportunity to be with the South African biggest celebrities, guys. She had nothing the best, even though the husband did not post her, guys. I thought Musa Msaleko he would post whenever one of his wife has done something good, guys. But when it comes to Samke, dololo, you never know why. Maybe one day we might find out the reason why. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Congratulations to Samke. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.